Hello everyone. In today's video I will be reviewing the Modelones glow in the dark acrylic. Modelones had sent this to me for review and I was excited because I really love working with glow in the dark acrylics. I think I just did one recently for Savaland and they were really pretty. So let's get into this video. Here are the acrylics. Obviously it comes with your instruction pamphlet. They're pretty standard and just give you troubleshooting techniques, application, preparation, things like that. So this particular one, or this particular set, I should say, does not come with the liquid, or monomer. It says it right there that some kits may not come with everything shown. So that's cool. I have enough monomer. So I am going to swatch these colors and I will be right back. So at first I thought the acrylics would be a little on the, chalky side, but they actually really performed well. And especially when I work with glow in the dark acrylics, I love to see how well they blend. So that's why I like to mix the colors together like you see here. And it was a dream to work with. It was really creamy. Blendability was terrific. And they were really fun to work with. So I do recommend the acrylics. And we will be on to the gel polishes in a moment. And here are their Modelones gel polishes. Now these are the color changing polishes or mood polishes, whatever you want to call them. They were pretty. I think I like the acrylics better. But I would say if I had to choose between Beetles and these ones, it would be Beetles. So I will also be having another giveaway because I reached 2,000 subscribers. I'm actually over that now. So thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me. And just a little side note, when I was filming this, we got hit with like the worst thunderstorm and my little pup was hiding and shaking in the closet. The poor little guy. It was crazy. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on another video or a future giveaway. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.